2243rd episode of नागपुर's most happening Facebook live show. शो का नाम है राज की बात, विमेन ऑफ द ईयर के साथ. Really want to thank Parekh Brother Jewelers presenting राज की बात Women of the Year in association with We Herbs. A big thank you to Stylix Kitchens and Wardrobes. And women who want to look pretty and beautiful should go to Preet Design Studio opposite Liberty Theatre. Also, can't forget to thank, as Shravan khatam ho chuka hai, want to have the best butter chicken and Mughlai chicken, you should go to Chakna East Nandanwan. हमारी आज की जो मेहमान है, she is a fashion designer, a home baker, also tried her hands with a few more careers. But most importantly, she is one lady who have made Nagpur proud when it comes to the best homemakers on the planet. Please welcome my guest today, Shaira Mehdi. Hi.
Hi.
मैम, स्वागत आपका राज की बात में.
थैंक यू सो मच.
कैसी हैं आप?
बस मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ राज. और मैं आपसे इतना कहना चाहती हूँ कि थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कंसिडरिंग मी एंड हैविंग मी टुडे.
सो कंसिडर नहीं करने के कोई कारण नहीं है मेरे पास. लेकिन कहाँ से शुरू करें? फैशन डिजाइनिंग की बात करें या हम शायरा द नागपुरकर के बारे में बात करते हैं?
जी जरूर.
यू वर बोर्न ब्रॉट अप इन नागपुर?
यस, आई एम बोर्न ब्रॉट अप इन नागपुर एंड प्रोबेबली आई विल लीव द प्लैनेट फ्रॉम हियर एज वेल.
How has been life in Nagpur since your childhood? What have you seen in Nagpur changing? What do you like, you don't like? How's the life here?
Honestly, I have traveled, I have seen the world. But जो नागपुर है ना वो नागपुर है. जो हमारा not very laid back and not very fast. So we are very balanced people, I must say, in Nagpur. And childhood has been very good. I went to St. Joseph's Convent, then I went to LAD College. I did my fashion designing from here.
Right.
Yeah, and so all in all, Nagpur is nothing but home for me.
But you did not pursue your fashion designing as a career. So why did you do it?
Yeah. So the thing is.
And how many people on the planet have asked you this?
So I get this asked all the time कि जब इतना क्रिएटिव इंस्टिंक्ट था और जब फैशन डिजाइनिंग कर लिया था तो वो क्यों नहीं परस्यू किया. So actually the thing is that I did my fashion designing when I was in my first year of BCom. Alongside I did my fashion designing.
That was from an institute?
That was from an institute. Once I completed that, then I started working as an instructor in the same institute. Then I switched to other institute, then I switched to some other institute. So by the time I completed my BCom, I had already had enough of it.
of this hip hopping?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I was also designing costumes for some plays here and there. And I also did uniforms for a few schools of Nagpur. I mean back then, and it's more than 22 years probably that we're talking about. So all of that, and then with time, interests change. You get older, you get wiser, you understand what is, आपका क्या actual कौन सा side of creativity is more, मतलब ज्यादा आपका creative consciousness कहाँ पे है.
And then this question comes or arises कि मैं कर क्या रही हूँ?
हाँ, exactly. कि मैं कर क्या रही हूँ?
जी.
Why am I still in that? You know. I am not saying that I don't love clothes. I love clothes, but I feel मेरी sensibility of other things was much more than clothes. जहाँ तक creativity की बात है, राज, actually I come from a community. मैं मेहदीबाग से आती हूँ. हमारी conditioning कुछ ऐसी होती है right from childhood that we are kind of motivated and we are encouraged to pursue arts of any form.
Right.
If you are all of us either are into some kind of art, either we are painting, we are drawing, we are doing some kind photography, a lot of things. And if not, at least we are very appreciative of arts.
Right.
So my conditioning has always been like that. उस वजह से creative instincts बहुत ज़्यादा strong है. Or every time it was like I had to do something creative constantly. You know, the mind is constantly thinking about that. And इसीलिए then I also for a while I did gifting. So I was into corporate gifting and, you know, bulk gifting for birthday parties and all of that also.
तो ये जो फैशन डिजाइनिंग वाला जब स्पेस चल रहा था,
जी
टाइम चल रहा
जी
था, तो क्या your creativity was getting compromised somewhere, or it was a very cliche everyday same life, and or probably there was this hunger that, you know, I want to do a little more or something more,
Yeah.
and this is not my space.
That's true. That is exactly how it was.
Hmm.
बहुत it was getting very mundane. It was just getting, you know, very
Suffocating.
भी नहीं बोल सकते हैं. I was happy. It's not that I wasn't happy or you know, but it was just that I just wanted to do something more.
So you were
That
having a
was-
chocolate, but you were not enjoying the chocolate.
I wanted to have cake.
Okay. This is very nice. So then you hopped to another career.
Yeah. So then,
that was?
then with a friend of mine, we started a gifting business of bulk gifting. उस time में ना नागपुर में नया concept आया था of return gifts. Till then, when in our childhood, we used to get very small, tiny return gifts when we would go to birthday parties. But suddenly there was a boom, and there were like huge gifts being given, and I was like, यार ये अच्छा है, ये करना चाहिए. So that is how we entered into that. And then we did that for a while. Then while we were doing that, somebody said, यार गिफ्टिंग करते हो तो बर्थडे पार्टी भी डिजाइन कर दो. So then we ventured into event planning. We started doing birthday parties. Birthday parties कर रहे थे. So you know, it's like one way to the other. You just get into it.
Yeah.
Then somebody said, weddings भी कर दो, anniversaries भी कर दो.
हाँ, हम कर देते हैं.
तो घर जब चला लेते हो, घर की इतनी प्लानिंग कर लेते हो, तो ये तो it is like a cakewalk for you. So
Right.
you can do it.
Right.
And I am somebody who I don't usually say no unless I have to say no. I mean, I'm usually okay doing a lot of things. So then we did that for a while. Then what happened is actually then when we were doing events, I had my third child. So I already had two. Then I had my third one. Events में problem क्या होता है that you have to be on site all the time.
Yeah.
And then it was getting a little challenging to be there.
Too much time demanding.
Too much time demanding.
Energy demanding.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then you have 3 children at home. You're already thinking that, you know, now you have a newborn. I mean, this is a dilemma that I'm sure every woman faces.
Right.
When you have a newborn in the house, you feel that elder ones are already suffering. And then your work comes in and then you feel that iski wajah se yaar, already the children are suffering because of this. Now I do not want to add on that with my work as well. So then I decided to stay home for a while. And then when I was at home, I'll tell you one thing. When I was doing all of this, there was one thing that I had never left, and that was baking.
Okay. While everything was happening.
Everything was happening. So maybe I wasn't doing it professionally, but I really enjoyed it. And at home also, I would bake cakes for my kids' birthdays and all of that. And that comes from my mother. So when we were young, all our birthday cakes were made by my mother. Even friends, for that matter, birthday cakes, relatives ke bachcho ke birthday cakes, my mother would do. And I would watch her do it. And I would watch her, you know, artistically decorate those cakes and those old school cakes, you know. So I just enjoyed that art form a lot. And I really, because, you know, kya hota hai, baking, cake decoration is a combination of baking, which is basically your cooking skill, if you say, and artistic inclination when decoration comes in.
Absolutely.
So it's like a combination of the two.
Yeah.
And so this was just a perfect
And
thing
both
for
are
me to do.
important.
Exactly,
Yeah.
and both are important. The taste has to be equally good.
Yeah.
The cake has to be well decorated for the function so that it just becomes a part of the entire celebration. So then my nephew had turned 1. And my sister-in-law said, why don't you only make the cake for his birthday? And then I made the cake. And at that time, Facebook was very much there. So I just posted the cake on Facebook and everybody was like, wow, 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 wow. So then I realized that I'm actually
Getting a lot of
I'm
vows.
getting a lot of vows, and I mean, it's like I'm probably good at it, and I can try my hand at this and do it professionally as well.
Hmm.
So then I spoke to my husband and I spoke to my family, and my husband was extremely supportive. He said, "You just start. You don't have to think too much. You're doing it from home." I said, "See, I'm not going anywhere. I'll do it from home." I said, "Then just start. Don't think too much, and you have enough help. You know, like in-laws are also very supportive." And my children were, I was there around all the time. Even when I'm working, I'm around them. They're around me all the time. So,
Right.
तो इतना कुछ problem होता नहीं है. So that way, then this was it for me. I was like, yeah, this I'm enjoying. And I
Were
started
you
getting
enjoying
orders.
this event management thing, this birthday parties,
I
marriages?
was. Because I was getting to meet a lot of people. I was getting to understand their point of views, you know, their psychology, what they are thinking, and then working accordingly. So that is pretty challenging, you know, and you can either go wrong with it or you can go really right with it. And the kind of appreciation I was getting, the kind of, you know, all of that. And my friend and my partner who was there with me. So we were having a blast because it was the two of us together, and, you know, it was a lot of fun actually. But then, yeah.
While this all was happening professionally,
Yeah.
what was happening on the personal side? I mean, when did Afzal sir came in life and how did that happen?
Yeah. So
What were you doing when Afzal sir came in life?
So I had just passed out, I think, of my 10th standard.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So that is how it was. We had a long courtship, around 7-8 years, till I completed my education and all of that.
Yeah.
And then we got married. But you know, he was always like, you have to do something or the other in your life. You can't depend on anybody. You have to be you.
You just can't sit idle.
You just can't sit idle. And he knew what kind of mind I have, you know. So it was like, if you sit at home and if you do not do anything, you will go crazy and you will make me crazy and you will make the entire family crazy. Better you work.
Did he ever admit this, that you always knew that you had this thing of not stopping? You had to do something or the other.
Yeah, silently, yes.
Okay.
He's always told me, ye karo, wo karo, do this. Why don't you do this? And he is kind of a lot more interested in, you know, what I'm doing. He would like to see my cake pictures, what I've done today when he comes back home.
He has a great observance. Because I met him personally, he has a great observing thing. While you were doing this event thing,
Yeah.
what was his opinion when you were putting too much of your energy, time? And I think the returns also were not that great. I mean, what I've understood with time.
Returns as in monetary returns?
Monetary returns?
Yeah, they were okay. You shouldn't say they were bad or not satisfying.
That could take you for a shopping. A good shopping.
Yeah, that would take me for that's satisfactory once you can go for a good shopping. But he's always been there. It's never been that, you know, you can't go here, you can't do this or anything. He is him, I am I, and he respects that.
This home baking thing, when you started, after getting a lot of vows, then when you started doing it commercially,
Yeah.
professionally, how did that start? I mean, when did you felt that, you know, now I should grow in that?
Yeah. So when I started at home in my house kitchen with a small microwave oven which had a baking
Option.
option in it. And
A facility.
Yeah, you could say that. A mode that we
A
call.
mode is a good word.
Convection mode that we have in that. And two cake tins which actually belonged to my sister-in-law. So before she got married, she used to bake in the house. So those two tins were lying there. So that is how I started.
Okay.
So it's been a very long journey, honestly. Because मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं, मेरी बिजनेस सेंसिबिलिटी भी अच्छी है इन द सेंस दैट आई कम फ्रॉम अ बिजनेस फैमिली. सो व्हेन आई वाज वर्किंग ना, मुझे पता था कि मैं बहुत स्टेबल किसी भी करियर में नहीं रहूंगी, तो मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट कभी भी मैंने बहुत नहीं किया अपने किसी भी
Okay. this is a piece of advice for a lot of girls out there.
Yes, I
Yeah.
think that is very important for you to understand कि बहुत पैसा मत लगा दो किसी भी चीज में. आपने कोई एक स्टूडियो देख लिया, या अगर आप आकर आज मेरा स्टूडियो देखो, it is an advice to girls, and I even tell this to college girls when I go there, that or when they come to my studio to visit, कि आप आज जो देख रहे हो ना, ये 10 साल का सरमाया है. आप ये मत सोचो कि मुझे ये शुरू करने के लिए मुझे इन सब चीजों की जरूरत है. ये तो अब आपकी लग्जरी है जो आपको मिल गई है. आपको आपका एक स्पेस मिल गया है. आपको काम करना है तो आप एक आपके घर के किचन से एक छोटे से ओवन से शुरू कर सकते हो. मैंने भी वहीं से शुरू किया था. एंड रॉ मटेरियल मिल जाता है. होम बेकिंग है, बहुत एज सच इतना डिमांडिंग नहीं है कि आपको 10, 12, 15 केक एक दिन में बना लेने हैं. एज अ होम बेकर यू कैन मैक्सिमम मेक 2, 3, 4 केक्स अ डे.
Right.
So your investment is not a lot that way. And honestly, when I started, I should say around 10, 12 years back, नागपुर में बहुत रॉ मटेरियल भी अवेलेबल नहीं था. We had to source it from here and there. बहुत सारी चीजें बहुत जुगाड़ करके करनी पड़ती थी.
The decor thing.
The decor thing, yeah. Like when I started, fondant and all was not really available in Nagpur. I had to call it from Bombay. I have even made fondant at home, which is actually arm breaking. It's actually arm breaking because it takes a lot of kneading and all of that.
Right.
So all of that also I have done. Then I would source it from Bombay. Raw material Bombay से आ जाता था. I would go to Bombay and you know, and Afzal would come along, of course. So उस तरीके से actually मेरी जर्नी वहां से शुरू हुई है. Like,
But then business orders ये मिलना.
ये actually most of it actually credit goes to Facebook. Because that was the only way I could reach people.
Right.
I would make a cake, I would post it online, and people would see the kind of work I was doing. Bakeries were not doing that kind of work at that time.
I
You
know.
would just get those simple cakes.
Right.
And that's it. So fondant work and all of it was, and thanks to TLC also, us time pe these shows were on air, Cake
Right.
Boss and this and that, so people had started watching all of that and they would see those kind of cakes. So
So
I was
creative
actually
cakes.
creative cakes. So even I have learned a lot seeing those shows, understanding what kind of cakes actually are going to be popular in the future.
And that, I mean, my next
that-
question was that how did you learn this craft? Because what you said that though you were doing a lot of things from home since your childhood, I mean, you come from Mehndi Bagh, you give a lot of credit to the community, but still, I mean, to one ladder up or one step up, how did you take those steps up? I mean, did just TLC help you, or YouTube helped you, or you went through a course kind of thing? Because what I've come to know is women who are home bakers have also been to London for their courses.
Yeah,
And they've come back and they're doing the same thing what other home bakers are doing.
Right.
So yeah.
So see, baking क्या है ना, it's an art of precision. You have to be very precise. If it says 1 teaspoon, it has to be 1. It cannot be 1.5.
Yeah.
Not a gram here, not a gram there. But I still use my mother's recipes. So I have learnt a lot from her when I was growing up, when I was seeing. And she had a lot of these books from, friends when they would come, because she loved baking, they would gift her books
Okay.
from abroad. They would come, from America, if people are coming, from Australia, somebody's coming, they would get these books for her of cake decoration and all of that. But those were just lying down there because fondant and all was unheard of in India and nobody knew about it. But these came in very handy for me. So when I started out, she gave me all these books. And I kind of just, went through the books and I started learning from these books. So, and a very old school method of learning through books actually. So books have really helped me. Her books have really helped me. And mostly I don't know, I shouldn't be saying that I'm self-taught, but because it's actually not self-taught, if I honestly say it.
Self-experimented?
But yes, you could call that. YouTube has helped a lot. Other seeing work of other cake artists have really helped a lot. Listening to what they are saying, understanding their point of view about certain things.
So is there a cake artist? I should call it a cake artist. Yeah, a cake artist to whom you follow, to whom you like.
I follow a lot of them, But there's this lady, Tina Scott Parashar. And probably a lot of her cakes people have also seen. They don't know that she's made them. She makes these life-size, human cakes. She's made this bridal cake and all of this. So I follow her a lot. So she's an Indian cake artist. We have amazing cake artists in India. Then there is Gauri Kekre. Then there's Anand sir who makes amazing flowers. So I follow all of them.
And with this time where now for cake for people is not just about cutting it and making people sing, but it's also an expression.
Right,
Yeah,
very true.
there's an emotion which is attached to the
Yes,
cake.
yes.
There's so much of customization and things like
Absolutely.
that. So now what Shaira Mehdi is doing which nobody else is doing?
Yeah. So when I started, my specialization was cake decoration. Baking, of course, yes, I thoroughly enjoy baking, but the passion that I have for cake decoration is a level up than baking. So in my cakes, when you come to me, you do not come to me expecting a cake which is just plainly frosted and given to you. So when people come to me, they expect it to look really beautiful, and they also expect it to taste good. So I am into customization to the level that when you see my menu card, it's not black forest cake, chocolate truffle cake, pistachio cake. ऐसा नहीं है. The menu card says ऊपर में sponge है. ये type of sponges I make. You select a sponge from there. Then you select a filling. Like you want a fruit filling, whatever fruit filling you want. If you want a caramel filling, or you want a chocolate filling, or pistachio filling, whatever. So I have a set of around 20-25 fillings that I have. And then it says frosting. So do you want a fondant covered cake? Do you want a buttercream covered cake? Or do you want a chocolate covered cake? So this is what I specialize in.
So you customize yourself.
Customization, yeah, absolutely. So it is customization to the core of it. I mean, from inside to the out of it. And when I'm decorating a cake, I just do not take a cake picture and replicate it. That is not what I like doing. Of course, there are people who give me that, and then of course I happily do it. But it's not something that is my specialization. I actually ask them for example, if it's a bridal shower, what kind of a dress is she going to wear? What is your decor? Send me the pictures, please. If there's an invitation, what does the invitation
What's the
say?
theme?
What's the theme of the party? And if there is a logo that you're using, what colors are you using? So all of that taking together, then I design a cake accordingly.
So there's something which I don't like in a cake. I'm
Yeah.
just sharing with you.
Yeah, sure, please.
So I have seen people making a customized cake where the person is celebrating his birthday,
Okay.
her birthday, and she had her picture on the cake, and then she's cutting the same cake. She's cutting herself. So do you also get these weird orders?
Yes, I do, and you're right. Even I dislike that because it's you think यार वो अपना ही फोटो काट रही है, वो क्यों काट रही है, तो वो थोड़ा बुरा लगता है. But then to each his own. Everybody has their own preferences, and you can prefer and you can I'm happy to make it for you. That's not a problem. But yeah, you're right. Even I don't like doing that.
So now how many years in total for home baking?
More than 10 years probably. Yeah.
10 years. The recognitions which are associated with this career of being a cake artist. Yeah. I like calling you a cake artist now.
I actually like being called that too.
Yeah, super.
More than a home baker, a cake artist. Yes.
Yes. So being these, living these 10 years, this appreciation, recognition thing of chosen, one of the best cake artists in the country or in the on the planet, how has that been? Please share us.
Yeah. So honestly, I'm only grateful for that. Nothing else. Because कई बार आपको खुद को ये लगता है, do I deserve it? So when you get something like that, you can only be grateful and have gratitude. So in 2019, there is a company called as the homebakers.com. I mean, that is the company, along with a company called the Morde Chocolate Company. they had I don't know if it was a survey or it was this thing, and they had listed home bakers, top 100 home bakers of India, and in that I was in the top 50 home bakers of India.
Super. Wow.
So when that was told to me, I was like, first though it's a surreal feeling, you don't really, you don't really get it in you कि ऐसे हुआ है क्या.
Say it again.
So
Say it again. Okay.
So because it is like you really don't process it, I must
Absolutely.
say. But then when I started, people started saying congratulations, and people started recognizing that. So then it's a different feeling. You feel so good.
Hmm.
You feel so you feel like. और अभी तो बहुत बाकी है करना. You feel that also, but you do get a satisfaction that इतना अगर काम किया है और अगर उसके लिए recognition मिलता है तो you really feel very very good.
These 4Ds, 4-dimension life of Shaira Mehdi, one being a mother,
Yeah.
a wife,
Yes.
yeah, a daughter-in-law, yeah.
Yeah.
It comes under wife thing, yeah. Then being Shaira herself,
Yeah.
and then being a cake artist. All these dimensions. How are you balancing it out?
It's a 24-hour thing, I feel.
Hmm.
You just out there all the time. Your kids need you, you have to be there. Your work needs you, you have to be there. Your family needs you, you have to be there. So, and honestly, I enjoy it. I'm happy doing it. And I'm doing it at my own pace. I am not somebody who'd run. I can't do it. That's not me. So I do things at my own pace. So I know my limitations also, like, so that way I like kind of take like, if I'm doing 1 cake a day, then I'm just doing 1 cake a day. I don't jump on to do 3, 4, 5, and I'm like working like 24 hours. That's not the way I work. I like to enjoy life. I like to be there, and I like to be with friends also, and all of that. So balancing is there. Time management is the key. You have to know that ये time से ये time ये करना है, ये time से ये time ये करना है, अभी इसके बाद ये time है तो ये करना है. So that way you have to balance out everything.
How many years of marriage?
21.
21.
Now. Yeah, we'll be 21 next month.
Super. So wishing you a very happy wedding anniversary for the next month.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Want to be the first person to wish you.
Yeah.
And also Afzal sir.
Thank you.
This men, this man in your life.
Yes.
The first man, your father.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then your husband.
Yeah.
Yeah. How have these, supported you?
Yeah.
Their presence
has been, I think I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing even now without them. And in fact, even my father-in-law for that matter, he's been very encouraging. He likes to see my cakes, he likes to, aaj kya banaya, he'll ask. So all of that is there. And see, my father, when I was young, the upbringing that I have had in my house, it was never my brother versus me. It was us on the same level. So he's always taught me that you have to work and you have to be independent. And although he doesn't say it, but his actions have always been like that. So if I would say I want to do this, go ahead, do it. If I would say now I want to work, you of course go and work. You must work. So when I started working, I was in the second year of my college when I had my first job.
Right.
He was very proud of me, and he was very happy that I'm doing it, that I'm working, And then Afzal, of course, has always been there. And he is the one who pushes me also.
So past 21 years, I'm sure, in this association of marriage,
Yeah.
I'm sure Afzal sir might have learned a lot from you. What have you learned from him?
His managerial skills are amazing. His IQ, his business sense, very keen business sense. और कहाँ फायदा कहाँ से उठाना है, नुकसान कहाँ छोड़ देना है, वो सब I have taken from him. किसी भी चीज को नहीं बोलते हैं. That is his, that is his greatness as well. that he never says no for anything. He will take the step and he will do it. That is, he's a doer, and that is what I've learned from him. Do it. Doing is very important. Just thinking, nothing will happen.
Right.
So that is what I have learned from him. And he is a complete family man. You know, he's so actually, अगर आप multitasking की भी बात करें तो although I am the woman, but he is also a multitasker, I must say.
So now your kids have grown now. Your
Yeah.
daughter wants
Yeah.
to become a doctor.
Yeah.
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 I've also interviewed your doctor. Your
Yeah,
doctor.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Your
My
doctor.
doctor, yes.
Yeah. Your daughter doctor.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now kids are growing, and you know they're growing well, and things are great. I mean, God
Yeah.
has been kind.
Very kind,
Yeah.
very, very kind. I
Very,
mean, I have
very-
nothing to complain. That is what I must say.
Yeah. But then, is there still something which Shaira Mehdi wants to do?
There is a lot I want to do, and all the time. But I am content.
Hmm.
I am happy where I am at the moment. In future, I don't know what future holds for me. But I do feel that, you know, now it's time that I must do things to give back to the society as well. So that day only I was discussing with Afzal also a few plans कि क्या कर सकते हैं, कैसे कर सकते हैं. So let's see how it works out. Keeping the baking there. I mean, with what I'm trying to say is with this career only, that is what I'm trying to figure out. Like, you know, maybe train girls, you know, to take up this career, and that way.
So, do you have a political opinion?
I have absolutely no political opinions, honestly.
And I don't want to talk about it.
I just don't want to talk about it.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, we are so happy without politicians, honestly. I mean, we would be.
Yeah. This world will be a very different
Yeah,
planet.
absolutely.
Mm.
That's my political opinion.
Okay. With marriage, there is one more thing I want to ask you. With time, there is an observance that there is a sudden rise in, you know, these couples, you know, going to family courts, getting divorced, things like that. Number increasing,
Yeah,
alarming.
actually, and that's a very sad situation, honestly.
Mm.
But I'll tell you honestly, मुझे वो समझ ही नहीं आता है. That's beyond me, if I must say. Because I don't know if I would be what I am without the man that I am with. And I have grown up with him, if I must say. I had just passed out of 10th, as I told you. So, and we have a lot in common. Our interests are very common. We like to travel. We like to do all of that together. And we're very friendly. I must say he is a friend more than, you know, just this thing. So that way. But मुझे लगता है कि probably कुछ चीजें शायद अनसुनी अनकही रह जाती है, जिसकी वजह से काफी सारे ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकते हैं और आते हैं. कम्युनिकेशन इज द की. सो आई थिंक बोल दो जो है वो, मे बी शायद अगर आपको किसी चीज से खुशी नहीं है और आप वो बता दें तो सामने वाला भी उसे रेक्टिफाई कर ले, हो सकता है.
अगर जिंदगी की सुनहरी किताब लिखी जाती, this is my last question. I don't want to end this interview. Yeah, but then अगर जिंदगी की सुनहरी किताब लिखी जाती, उस किताब के सुनहरे पन्ने पर ये नाम लिखा जाता, शायरा मेहदी,
जी.
उसके नीचे क्या लिखा रहना चाहिए? कौन सी ऐसी बात, कोई कोट, कोई थॉट लिखा रहना चाहिए जिसे पढ़ने के बाद लोग आपको हमेशा याद करें?
Very cliche probably, but she lived a happy life. Yeah, and happiness I feel is a choice. More than, you know, आप खुश रह सकते हैं अगर आपके पास कुछ है कुछ नहीं है, आपको गिला हो सकता है, लेकिन खुश आप रह सकते हैं. So and I think that is what I do. I just try to live happily.
आप का ये जो सफ़र रहा है, ये इसमें हिंदी का सफ़र रहा है, अंग्रेजी का जो शब्द है सफ़र,
जी
वो हो सकता है जब आप करियर्स के हिप हॉपिंग कर रही हो, लेकिन वो भी एक एक्सपीरियंस
वो
है।
ऑनेस्टली इट्स नॉट
अंग्रेजी वाला सफर।
अंग्रेजी वाला सफर नहीं है वो.
हाँ.
इट्स नॉट इवन स्ट्रगल प्रॉबली. इट इज अ लर्निंग प्रोसेस, यू नो. आप बहुत सारी चीजें आप कहीं पे जाके आप निराश हो सकते हैं, लेकिन आप दुखी नहीं हो जाते हैं. इज व्हाट आई फील कि यू नो दैट इज अ लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस एंड आप सीखते हैं बस उससे.
आप ऐसे ही लोगों की जिंदगी में मिठास भरते रहें. ये इंटरव्यू ना मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हजारों लोगों तक पहुंचेगा और बहुत सारी लड़कियों को, बहुत सारी लेडीज को इंस्पायर करेगा कि एक तो जब तक उस सफलता के चरम तक ना पहुंचो तब तक जेब से बहुत ज्यादा खर्चा मत करो. मत करो. और जो भी करो उस डेडिकेशन के साथ करो जो आपको उस लेवल तक ले जाने में
one step at a time
yeah,
is
one
what I
step
feel. Yeah.
at a time
जी बिल्कुल.
is a great thought. And a cake brings happiness, but today you just proved that a cake artist can also bring a lot of happiness in people's life. आपने अपना वक्त दिया, आप यहाँ पर आई, आपने हमें इंस्पायर किया, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. और माफी कि मैंने आपका इंटरव्यू बहुत देर से लिया.
अरे this is the right time is what I would like
Yes,
to say.
any time is a good time.
Yeah, absolutely. और before we sign out, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आपने मुझे यहाँ बुलाया. और मैं आपसे एक चीज शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. जब आपने मुझे कहा कि आप इंटरव्यू करना चाहते हैं, then you sent me that creative that you
Right.
post this on your Facebook as well.
Yeah.
I was really nervous that whether I shouldn't was, I probably you saw it also that I did it like an hour later.
Yeah.
Before me, my husband had already shared it.
Right.
So, but when I shared that online and the kind of response I got on that, it's overwhelming. And I can only say thank you so much for that. My school teachers have come on that post and have said that we are proud of you.
Right.
My friends are there, my family is there, so many people around me who've said we are so proud of you, we are so proud of you. My mentor from my fashion designing days, my sir, he said, I'm so proud of you. I was like, these people really never comment, but today all of them are saying this. So I'm just grateful for that. Grateful
And
for the
after
opportunity.
and after knowing you, I'm also proud of you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming on the
Thank
show.
you, thank you
You're
so much,
super
Raj.
inspiring.
Thank you.
Super. बात हुई, मुलाकात हुई with शायरा मेहदी, the cake artist. बहुत सारी चीज़ें दिमाग में चल रही थी जब इंटरव्यू ख़त्म करूँगा तब ये बोलूँगा, तब ये कहूँगा, इस तरह से इंटरव्यू ख़त्म करूँगा. हर शो में ना, ये शो का नाम राज की बात मैंने इसलिए रखा कि मैं राज हूँ और मैं अपनी बात कह सकूँ. बहुत सारे लोग इसे मिस प्रोनाउंस करते हैं, उसे राज की बात बोलते हैं, ठीक है, बट ये राज की बात है. तो एक बड़ा खूबसूरत शेर मैंने सुना था कि दुनिया में लेके आए हैं क्या, खाली हाथ आए थे. दुनिया से लेके जाएंगे क्या, खाली हाथ जाएंगे. लेकिन जब जाएंगे तो तुम्हें याद आएंगे क्या. ये बहुत बड़ा सवाल है कि हम जो भी करें, जैसा भी करें, जहाँ भी करें, हमारे पास ऐसे पड़ाव आएंगे जब हम, एज राइटली सेड बाय शायरा मैम, कि हम निराश होंगे. पर एक और शब्द है उसका नाम, वो कहता है हताश होंगे. मैं निराश हो गया, हताश हो गया. आप निराश होइए, ये आपका अधिकार है. हताश मत होइए, क्योंकि जितनी भी निराशाएं हैं ये चैलेंज स्वरूप आती हैं. ये आपके सामने में एक सवाल, एक मौका देने के लिए आती हैं. अगर आपकी क्षमताओं में वो ताकत है तो वो आपको शायरा मेहदी बनाती है. आप बस कोशिश तो करें, बाकी उस पर छोड़ दें. आपसे फिर होगी मुलाकात इन राज की बात. तब तक आप अपना ध्यान रखें, सुरक्षित रहें, स्वच्छ रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, मस्त रहें, खुश रहें, परिवार के साथ एक अच्छा वक्त बिताएं. और अगर आपके परिवार में एक बिटिया है जो भी करती है अपने लगन से करती है, अपने पूरे 100% क्षमताओं को लगा कर करती है, और वो जीवन में जब कुछ ऐसा करती है जिससे उसके माता पिता, उसके परिवार के लोग, उसके इन लॉज, उसके हस्बैंड का नाम लोग और भी ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्ट से लेते हैं, सम्मान देते हैं, तो समझिए वो शायरा मेहदी बन रही हैं। हर घर में एक शायरा ज़रूरी है। जिंदा रहें। जय हिंद।